We all been there, racing against the clock, scrambling to catch that bus, or dealing with unexpected delays. It's easy to skip breakfast or settle for something quick and convenient, even if it's not the best choice for our bodies. But guess what? We're about to change the game and give you a morning routine that sets you up for success, both mentally and physically. So in today's video, get ready to feast your eyes on a delicious selection of foods that will make your taste buds jump with joy, and your body will thank you. That's right, we're diving into 10 best foods to eat for breakfast. Let's begin. Number 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a really healthy food. It has a special kind of fiber called beta-glucan that helps you feel full for longer, aid in weight loss, and can even lower bad cholesterol levels. One study showed that people who ate oatmeal for breakfast felt fuller and ate less at lunchtime compared to people who ate cornflakes. This was especially true for people who were overweight. Oats also have lots of good things for your body like antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, folate, and potassium. Steel-cut oats are a good choice because they usually have more protein and fiber than other types of oats, and they don't make your blood sugar go up too much. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a common and healthy breakfast choice. They are quite nutritious and have a lot of good protein. Some people worry about eggs because they have cholesterol, but recent studies have shown that the cholesterol in eggs doesn't have much effect on the bad cholesterol levels in our blood. Even during a small study on people at risk of type 2 diabetes or heart disease, experts found that eating whole eggs and cutting back on carbs improved their good cholesterol levels. It also helped reduce waist size, weight, and extra body fat. Number 3. Nuts. If you are a vegan or vegetarian, nuts are a great way to get protein, as they are incredibly nutritious and packed with many healthy nutrients like magnesium, potassium, antioxidants, and healthy fats. While they are calorie-dense, research suggests that our bodies usually don't absorb all of those calories. A long-term study found that people who ate nuts 7 or more times a week had up to 20% lower risk of death from chronic diseases, as compared to those who didn't eat nuts at all. Brazil nuts are an excellent source of selenium. Almonds and walnuts are rich in protein and fiber, which can help you feel full for longer and aid in weight loss. Additionally, nuts are also considered superfoods that promote overall heart health and brain health. Eating peanuts and walnuts regularly can reduce the risk of heart disease by 13 to 19%. With their delicious taste and easy-to-eat nature, there's no excuse for skipping breakfast this time. Nut butter is also a good option. You can spread it on whole grain toast, mix it with oatmeal or yogurt, or use it as a dip for fresh fruit. Some healthy types of nut butter are peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, unsweetened cocoa butter, and hazelnut butter. Number 4. Coffee. Many people enjoy having coffee with breakfast because it helps them wake up wide open and stay active. And in fact, coffee is also good for your overall health because it has many antioxidants that can fight inflammation. A study found that drinking regular or decaffeinated coffee helped lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, and also that some parts of coffee can help your body process glucose more slowly and efficiently. But if you add cream or extra sugar to your coffee, it won't be just as good for you. It's better to avoid adding sugar and use non-fat or plant-based milk instead of cream. Number 5. Berries. Starting your day with berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries is a great idea. They have relatively fewer calories, lots of fiber, and many antioxidants that strengthen our immune system. Eating berries on a daily basis is linked to a lower risk of heart attacks, especially in young men and women. You can sprinkle berries on cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. If fresh berries are expensive or not available, frozen berries are just as good. Just make sure to choose frozen berries without added sugar or preservatives for the best health benefits. Number 6. Flax seeds. It's morning, and you're searching for a simple and tasty breakfast to fuel your day. How about a bowl of porridge with a couple of flax seeds? Or perhaps a delicious omelette with flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds? If that doesn't appeal to you, a refreshing fruit salad with flax seeds, or a breakfast smoothie made with milk, fresh orange, and a spoonful of flaxseed could be just what you need. But why flax seeds? Well, they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. In the long run, flax seeds can help lower bad LDL cholesterol, improve insulin sensitivity, and balance blood sugar levels. Some studies even suggest that flaxseed may protect against the development of breast cancer. So don't forget to sprinkle some flax seeds on your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for an extra boost of energy and long-term health benefits. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, even more than a regular strained yogurt that you can eat for breakfast. It has a thick and creamy texture and offers several health benefits, especially because of calcium and probiotics. Eating Greek yogurt regularly for breakfast helps promote a healthy gut, strengthen your immune system, aid in healthy weight management, and even reduce your waist size. It's a versatile and tasty option that pairs well with fresh or frozen berries, walnuts, almonds, or coconuts. You can also mix Greek yogurt into your oatmeal or blend it into smoothies for an extra boost of protein. Number 8. Tea. Black tea, green tea, and white teas have antioxidants, but green tea is arguably the best of them. Taking a cup of green tea regularly helps burn fat faster, aids in weight loss, and can also keep you hydrated. Black and green teas do have some caffeine, but not as much as coffee. Black tea is a great alternative to coffee in the morning. It can help you stay active, fight lethargy, and improve your ability to focus. Both black and green teas are rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which can promote heart health and lower bad cholesterol levels. They also contain L-theanine, which helps improve brain activity, leading to improved focus and feelings of relaxation. Overall, green tea is still a healthier choice than black tea and coffee to start your day. Number 9. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a protein-packed food packed with many nutrients like vitamin A, several B vitamins, and calcium. It can make you feel full for a long time, just like eggs. You can eat it on its own, or mix it with savory ingredients like pepper and spring onions, or even pair it with fruits or nuts for a tasty and nutritious breakfast. Cottage cheese is low in calories, high in protein, and versatile in nutrients. It's also a good source of iron and folate. Plus, its mild flavor is simply delightful. Number 10. Banana. Bananas are an easy and healthy choice for breakfast. They're also a good snack to keep you satisfied until lunch. Bananas have something called resistant starch, which is considered good for digestion because it doesn't get easily digested. It helps nourish your friendly gut bacteria, which help keep your digestive system healthy. Unripe bananas have more resistant starch, while ripe bananas have more natural sugars. Bananas are also high in potassium, which can help with healthy blood pressure in some people. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.